Pukka Pies are the UK's #1 pie brand.
We've been manufacturing pies since 1960 and we're based in Leicester in England.
We're a manufacturing business, that's how we add value. So for me, it was about taking things from good to great. And so I need to ensure we deliver operational excellence, and that's what led us to our partnership with Redzone. Before in our bakery, I think you'd have a few people who had a lot of information, but they were looking at that in the rearview mirror. What I see now is everybody in our bakery seeing that information live.
We're now into our 5th month of implementation of Redzone. We're on our 2nd module after productivity. We're almost finished compliance, and we've seen around 15% improvement in OEE, and that's directly translated into more output, more packs, but happier people who are more connected in their manufacturing system.
And what I can see from Redzone is a direct correlation between the savings that we're delivering in the bakery, engagement with our people, translating through to better financial results for the company. It's made a huge change to the energy across our total business at every level.